During its 25-year journey, Priya has always worked on the issues related to women's empowerment. Through its various programs on literacy, livelihood, access to natural resources, occupational health and safety, and more recently in panchayats and municipalities, Priya's programmatic interventions have attempted to empower women to play a central role in their own development. In recent years, especially over the last 7-8 years, Priya has realized that its own institutional culture, structure and policies must be informed by concerns of gender equity and gender justice. Thus, gender mainstreaming in Priya's institutional framework has now become an integral part of the way we work, not only in our offices but also in the field. We have also encouraged and supported our numerous partners throughout the country and abroad to work on gender mainstreaming in their own institutions. Today we live in a world where it's no longer a question of choice for bringing about gender equity and justice in our society and in all our institutions. I am delighted to hear that this program on gender mainstreaming is now being launched as part of the new initiatives by Continuing Education wing of Priya. I do hope you will find this program useful, not only in the concepts and ideas that it brings, but also enable you and support you in mainstreaming gender in your own very institutions, in the workplaces in which we spend so much of our time and energy in the modern times. We look forward to hearing from you as the course progresses, as you make an effort to mainstream gender in your own organizations and workplaces. All the very best.
Welcome to the course Understanding Gender in Society. This course in a distant mode is one of the first of its kind. During this 3-month period, we will be steering you through a process of understanding the meanings, concepts, dynamics and implications of gender. You will also be understanding the roots of gender, the roots from where the differences between men and women originate, how these differences get translated into real life phenomena, and how this real life phenomena gets perpetuated and institutionalized in our daily lives. This course will help you understand why, when we speak to discrimination and gender discrimination, we often refer to discrimination and injustice against women. On the other hand, the course will also help you to understand the constraints and pressures faced by men in today's society. The Understanding Gender course is targeted at an individual, at you as a person. It forces you to reckon with the constraints of gender that we face in our daily lives. It also helps you to understand and examine the forces within families, communities and societies and even workplaces that help in establishing our gender roles and our gender identities. Some of the information that we share with you during this course you may already be aware of. Some of it may shock you and even depress you, especially when you think of the magnitude of the issue. Statistics, when analyzed, will bring alive a picture which has many shades of grey. And there are no easy solutions either. But there is hope. There is hope in the stories of those courageous men and women who have succeeded in changing the unjust and unfair gender equation. There is also hope in the stories of women who have succeeded in making the way easier for us today. And they are also the story of countless others who serve as reminders to tell us that the struggle is far from over. Voices which keep insisting that we must forge new paths ahead for the new generation. Though change must take place at every level in society, we firmly believe it is only when the individual changes that change can be effected within families, communities, society, and even our workplaces. We hope that you find this course not only interesting, but inspiring, motivating, and energizing as well. We encourage you to share your experiences, comments, and observations with other learners, which will help to make this course an enriching learning experience. Looking forward to being with you in this journey. All the very best.